expect the acting era of Ellie Williams?
I really can't say, tingnan natin where this leads. So far, this movie has been the most challenging filmmaking experience for me. Overall, it was a great experience talaga working with the filmmakers and going back to Naga City, which is my hometown. I really had a great time actually. Yeah. First, it was the story. The fact na it's an all Bicol production. I just felt that I could parang flesh out the character. Kumbaga, the character is sort of close to my heart because I'm also a father. And I come from that background, the middle class in Naga City. And yeah, I just really related to the role. I don't sing in this movie. It's purely a dramatic role. No music and yeah, sinusubaybayan ko yung Cinemalaya because I know a lot of great filmmakers are join sa Cinemalaya. Well, I'm happy that they provided like an acting workshop. Yeah, I just watch a lot of films prior to the shoot. Although this is my first lead role, I've experienced naman filmmaking either as a supporting actor or as a director. I've also done that, so I'm quite familiar naman with how. But so far, this movie has been the most challenging filmmaking experience for me. Sa lahat ng mga tumatangkilik ng pelikulang Pilipino, I'm inviting you to watch Padamlagan, the story about the Colgante Bridge tragedy in Naga City. And I'm playing a part in this movie. And I hope you all watch it in October. And please also watch all the films that are showing at the Cinemalaya Festival. Thank you so much.